our mathematics class. Children, in the last class we discussed about multiplication and properties of multiplication. In today's session we are going to learn division. What is called division? Division is the repeated subtraction of a number. What is called division? Division is the repeated subtraction of a number. Division means repeated subtraction. And what are the terms used in division? Dividend, divisor and quotient. Dividend, divisor and quotient and remainder. What is called dividend? Dividend means the number being divided. The number being divided is called dividend. What is called divisor? Divisor means a number that will divide the dividend exactly. A number that will divide the dividend exactly is called divisor. What is called quotient? The result of a division is called quotient. What is called quotient? The result of a division is called quotient. So, the terms used in division are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. What is remainder? The number which is left over after division is called remainder. The number which is left over after division is called remainder. And what is the formula used in division? So, quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. How to check the division? Is it correct or wrong? Use this formula to check the division. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Next, properties of division. What is the first property of the division? When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. 4 divided by 1. Number divided by 1 is equal to number. So, 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Here, number divided by 1 is equal to number. 10 divided by 1 is equal to 10. Here, number divided by 1 is equal to number. 6 divided by 1 is equal to number. So, what is the first property? When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. The quotient is the number itself. Here, what is the quotient? 4 is the quotient. Here, 10 is the quotient. Here, 6 is the quotient. Next, second property. When a number is divided by itself. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is the 1. 3 divided by 3. A number is divided by itself. Same number. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Here, what is the quotient? Quotient is 1. So, what is the second property? When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. And the third property is 0 divided by any number gives the quotient 0. 0 divided by any number. Here 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by number is 0. Here 0 divided by number. Here what is the number? 8. So 0 divided by 8 is equal to 0. 0 divided by any number gives the quotient 0. Here what is the quotient? 0 is the quotient. Here what is the quotient? 0 is the quotient. Properties. Division by 0 is meaningless. Division by 0 is meaningless. 3 divided by 0. Number divided by 0, meaningless. 3 divided by 0 is meaningless. Again, number divided by 0. 19 divided by 0 is meaningless. Let us see the examples. 45 divided by 3. What is the symbol of division? Divided by. Symbol of division is divided by. So, 45 divided by 3. Here, children, whenever you are doing the division, you have to write the table aside so that it will be easy for you to do the division. Here 45 by 3. Write 3 table here. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30. Now here check the digit in tens place. What is the tens place digit? 4. So 4 is greater than 3. Here see the table children. Here which number is near to 4? So here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. So write 1 is in quotient place and write 3 here. Now 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 and write next digit down. And what is the next digit? 5. So bring down 5. Now read 3 table up to 15. 3 5s are 15. So write 5 here, 15 here. 15 minus 15, 0. Children, here what is the quotient? Quotient is 15. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. He is divisor and 45 is dividend. Children, now how to check the division? Is it correct or wrong? So write the formula. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 15. What is the divisor? Divisor is 3 into 3 plus what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. And what is the dividend? Dividend is 45. Now 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45 plus 0 is equal to 45. When any number is added to 0, answer is the number. 45 plus 0, 45 is equal to 45. So the division is correct. All of you open your textbooks, page number 31, exercise 2.2b Roman. Divide and check the answer. 12,686 divided by 9. 12,686 divided by 9. 12,686. First write 9 table aside. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. Children, now check children. 12,686 divided by 9. First check the digit in 10,000s place. What is the 10,000s place digit? 1. 1 is less than 9. So we cannot divide. Next, take the digits in 10,000s and thousands place together. So, the number is 12. Is 12 greater than 9 or less than 9? 12 is greater than 9. Now, here see the table children. Now, which number is near to 12 or less than 12? So, the number is 9 ones are 9. So, write 1 in quotient place and 9 here. Do subtraction. Here we cannot subtract 9 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from 10,000s place. 1 minus 1 0 and here 12. 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 3. Here 0. And here bring next to the digit. What is the next digit? 6. So bring down 6. Now children observe here 36. Now, which number is near to 36 or equal to 36? 9 fours are 36. So, write 4 in quotients place and 36 here. 36 minus 36. 0. And bring down next digit. 0, 8. Now, children, here 9 is greater than 8. So, we cannot divide. 0 9s are 0. Again, subtract 8 minus 0. 8 minus 0 is 8. And write down next to the digit 8 and next digit is 6. Now check the check 86. Check the number which is near to 86 or less than 86. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. Minus 6 minus 1, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. Here what is the quotient? Quotient is 1409. What is the remainder? The number which is left after the division is called remainder. So 5 is remainder. And what is the divisor? Divisor is 9. And dividend is 12,686. Now how to check this division? Is it correct or wrong? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. Here what is the quotient? 1409. What is the divisor? 9. And what is the remainder? 5. And what is the dividend? 12,686. Now multiply these two numbers. 1409 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 4 nines are 36. 6 and 3 is carry over. 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12,681 plus 5 is equal to 12,686. Now add these numbers. 1 plus 5, 6, 8, 6, 2, 1. 12,686 is equal to 12,686. So the division is correct. Children, 4,987 divided by 16. Now first check the digit in thousands place. What is the thousands place digit? 4. So 16 is greater than 4. It is not possible to divide. Now take the digits in thousands and hundreds place together. So 49. Now here see 16 table, children. Now which number is nearest to 49 or less than 49? 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64. 64 is the greater number. So take the nearest number. 3 16s are 48. Now 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. And bring next to the digit down, 8. Now children, again see the table. Number is here, which number is nearest to 18? 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. So 1 16s are 16. Now 8 minus 6, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. And bring down the next digit 7. Now again, which here children, which number is nearest to 27 or less than 27? Here 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. Again 32 is the greater number. So the nearest number is 1 16s are 16. Now 7 minus 6, 1. 2 minus 1, 1 and 0. Here what is the remainder? Remainder is 11. Quotient is 311 and dividend is 4,987 and divisor is 16. Now how to check the division is correct or not? Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. What is the quotient? Quotient is 311. What is the divisor? Divisor is 16. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 11. And what is the dividend? 4,987. Multiply these two numbers. 311 into 16. 1 6 6. 1 6 6. Multiply 311 into 16. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Again 1 1s are 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 3s are 3. 6. 6 plus 1 7. 8 plus 1 9. 1 plus 3 4. 4976 plus 11 is equal to 4987. Now add 11 to 4976. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So 4987 is equal to 4987. So the division is correct. Children, complete the given assignment.